Hello, beautiful people. Take a look at this fresh day one Bantu knot out. Welcome back to Kayla's Tresses. So today I am going to be showing you how I take out my Bantu knots. If you would like to see a video on how to actually put the Bantu knots in, you don't know how to do it, or you want to see a different way perhaps, let me know in the comments and I'll go ahead and make a video of how I put them in. But today I just wanted to give the satisfying view of seeing the results of my Bantu knot outs. Here I've already started to take out some of them on the back, and now I'm going to go ahead and start taking out the ones on the side and the top and the front of my head. I do have about 14 Bantu knots in my hair because my hair is pretty thick and I wanted to get them really moisturized and defined. So sleeping in them, I just had a satin cap on last night, and I didn't quite sleep comfortably, but I think it's going to be worth it with these results. So the way I take out my Bantu knots, I simply just twist it like a bottle cap in the opposite direction of how I twisted it, just to loosen them up. And then I take my finger and kind of just twirl it around to loosen that coil because it was tightly knotted on my head. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the Bantu knots apart piece by piece. I do have a little bit of oil on my hands just to make sure that I keep frizz away. So I'm just pulling these pieces probably into about 6 pieces. One Bantu knot turns into 6 pieces. I didn't want to do it too much because then it would be more like a fro for me, but I really wanted the defined Bantu knot. So I'm leaving it at about 6 or 7 pieces that I'm pulling apart. I feel like it's so satisfying to watch you take curls out and see the results. It's such a satisfying thing to watch. So I'm just going to keep pulling them apart, making sure I like what I see here. So far I don't see a whole lot of frizz, so that is good. I'm finally on the last 2 pieces in the front of pulling apart, and I was so happy with the way the rest of my hair came out. I did actually decide to go ahead and fluff it out some more, just because I felt like it was flattened to my head, and I wanted a little bit more volume. But look at that definition. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I do have a little bit of red color in my hair. Please excuse my nails. You know we are in a quarantine, so I haven't had a chance to get my nails, but I'm doing my hair first. Okay? Okay. All right. So I am working on the last Bantu knot. Apparently I forgot one. And then I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit more oil and start fluffing my hair out how I want it, especially at the roots, not really touching anything but my roots. Alright, so this is the finished product. This is how it turned out. Really cute and fun. I absolutely love this look. I just need to do a little bit more fluffing in the back there. It still looks good, not too frizzy, moisturized, the color is popping. Thank you guys for watching. And again, let me know if you guys need to see a video of how I actually put the Bantu knots in. I will get that up as soon as possible. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.